Okay, now then we're going to take a look at dimensions from lines to the center of a circle. We're going to click our pan tool and get that stuff there out of the way. And sketch, we're going to draw a line there. Then we're going to draw a circle. Going to draw a circle from there to there. Then we're going to right click, do the smart dimension. We click that entity and to the center of the circle, and that's what we get. Okay, and we're going to force that to be, oh, I don't know, let's just make it 25.00. Now figure 1.129, which would be this one right here, I've already got the lines drawn. I've got the smart dimension tool. I click there and I click on the circle, and it automatically picks one for the end. Let's call that 14.25, just an arbitrary number. And then the next thing we're going to look at is figure 1.130. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is the relationship between a center line and a circle. Okay, there we draw that center line. We're going to draw a circle over here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set up the distance here to here. Okay, and we're going to also make that to be 25.00. And now then we're going to show the relationship. What happens if we do the same thing here? Since this is a center line, if you'll read here in the text, if the cursor is dragged to the other side of the center line before clicking to place it, then the dimension is shown a little bit differently. Okay, now what I've done, I've set up another duplicate center line and circle here, which also has a distance of 25. But what I want to point out here is if you click on this and this, uh-oh, something's not working. I'll pause and fix it. Okay, I had to redefine, make sure that I clicked on the front plane, and we're going to do the smart dimension. We click on this. Oh, I'll be dogged, it's doing it again. Hang on just a minute. Let's go back and front. Yeah. Anytime you're recording, things always happen. There we go. If you don't, and then if you bring the cursor back to the left side of that center line, you see the 50 dimension here. That's showing that the center of this circle is 25 units to the right of the center line, and you're also getting a measurement over here the same distance to the left of the center line. And that's going to be important, okay, because we're going to rotate some well, I'm kind of getting a little bit ahead of myself, but if you'll look at on page 35, a part created with revolved geometry, we're going to use these particular principles, okay, to do that. So that's going to complete this one, and we'll go to the next one.